Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. We saw mixed reactions in the market today. Most of the stocks opened with a gap down, but then later during the day, big stocks somehow recovered, index also recovered accordingly. This is the daily chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. Today's closing is positive. During the day, market was under pressure. It came down till 4,200 points. Previously, if you remember and if you're watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning 4,200 is resistance area. And today we are seeing a retest of this zone. Market came down and then it recovered. Closing is at 4,237. Yes, for sure we are seeing some weakness in the market. Otherwise, if bulls were stronger, they should have continued its upside momentum without coming down to retest 4,200. But in a way it's good as well. There are chances it may come down, revisit 4,185 to 4,200 points again, and then maybe we can see it will establish a base here. Most likely we will see a breakout to the upside. Or in other scenario, tomorrow is weekend, it's Friday. If at all buyers are aggressive, there are good chances it can continue its upside momentum, and then possibly next week onwards we may see some correction. Looking at today's candle, yes, as I mentioned, market is getting a bit weaker. We are seeing most of the stocks closed red. I wouldn't be surprised tomorrow or coming week if at all it breaks this zone. Then there are very good chances 4,160 can be visited. If this zone does not hold, then we may see 4,140. That was previously a resistance and now it should act as a support most likely. Overall, no doubt DFM is positive, it's bullish and it's trending. Weekly closing is very important, so let's see how the market performs tomorrow. ADX market index also closed positive. Most of the stocks opened with a gap down in ADX market as well, but thanks to big stocks they performed well and it helped the market index. Closing is above 9,300 points. Candle is also very solid, it's powerful. Look at the retest. Previously, as you know, 9,245 was resistance. It went up, came down for a retest, and now it's continuing its upside momentum. This is very positive. There are good chances of continuation from here. Next area of resistance is 9,350. There are chances tomorrow we may see a pause candle or it can come down for a retest, and then coming week onwards we may see aggressive buying again in the market. Overall, ADX market is also now bullish. It's above the resistance area. With today's closing, ADX market index has closed right into the 200-day moving average. It's very important. Let's see how the market unfolds from here. This is the daily chart of Emaar Properties. No doubt it's bullish, it's positive. We can see strong buying pressure from 7.40 area. It went up, directly hit the resistance of 8.00. Our planned entry was above 8.00. From here it hit our targets, that is 8.26, and now from here it's continuing its upside momentum. This was our final target. 8.45 is also achieved. We booked our profits into this zone. Yesterday's candle was negative. That's the reason I had mentioned this is the resistance zone. We should try and offload our quantities here. Today during the day it came down till about 8.32 and then it recovered. Closing is very positive. There are still chances of continuation to the upside. Next area of resistance is between 8.70 to 8.75. However, after today's struggle from buyer's side, they have struggled a lot to recover and close positive. If it opens with a gap down tomorrow, then yesterday's buyers will be in panic because they will be seeing losses, and there are chances they may try to book the profits tomorrow itself because it's weekend. Then we may see a red candle closing most likely. On the positive side, if it opens flat or with a gap up, there are chances we may see continuous momentum, and possibly next week we may even see 8.70. Overall, Emaar Properties is bullish. It's a trending stock. Hit the like button if this update was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.